Come on, fat boy. Come on, fat boy. Come on. Go over here and play for a little bit.
Hang on, I can't see where I'm going.
Come on, bud. You don't eat ducks today, do you? Come over here, Sean, a little bit. Now, easy. Here, Mowgli. All right. How many people on YouTube have this? What are you doing, buddy? Oh boy, you're getting so big. He's getting so big. You're too big for me. You're too big for me. Easy. Watch them teethy. Here. Here's what you need. Hey, want one of these? Like this? No bite now. Easy. Go easy. Go
Say
easy.
something to Jennifer.
Can you get close enough so you can hear him purring?
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's not a lamb chop. That's my leg. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
Say something to Jennifer on YouTube that left that nasty comment about the pigs.
Hey, come on, bud. He's getting big, ain't he? Hey, hey, hey. Now take it easy. Huh? What, do you want to eat me? You keep eating everybody, and nobody will be around to feed you. What are you doing to me? Stop. He wants that head, don't he?
Mm-hmm.
Just that instinct, you know, to go for somebody's neck. All right, no, that's the last time you got pissed off like that. Stop. Come on. Hey, easy. No bite. No bite. Come on out here. Come on. Come on. No bite. Mowgli, no bite. Come on. No. No bite. No bite. No bite don't mean shit to this guy no more. Come on, man. Come on. You and your silly ass. I'm putting you up because you're getting bigger and stronger every day. I can't deal with you no more. What happened when you were just a baby? You weren't that mean to people, huh? You weren't mean. No. No bite. Stop that. Come on. Come on. Come on. I love you, but you're getting mean. Come on. Come on. Have a good day, buddy. I know. Okay.